What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a webcam that I picked up. Now I got this off of Amazon.com. The price right now is $59.99, but they're also offering a 10% discount coupon that you can apply as well. So this is by the company Anker. This is their PowerConf C200 2K webcam. So here's a picture of the device here. Here's the packaging that it comes in. So this side you got Anker. On this side you're gonna have Anker work your way, printed on the box there. And then on the back it's gonna give you some of the specs here. So you got a stunning 2K HD resolution. You got automatic low light compensation, built-in privacy cover. You got adjustable field of view from 65 degrees to 95 degrees. You got true to life visuals, and you got AI stereo microphones. So those are a few of the features and details there. Let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and cut this plastic off. And we'll take a look at the content of the packaging. See what we got. So grab it here, open this up. It's pretty cool. They make a little place there where you can grab it. So right here it says download the Anker software to get the full experience and adjust picture settings, upgrade firmware, switch models. Please download the Anker software by searching software.ankerwork.com in your browser. And there's some more stuff here in different language, probably the same thing. So also in here, you're gonna get, this is your quick start guide right here. I will refer to that if needed. And you're gonna have your power cable here, which is USB-A to USB-C. And then you get your camera. So here's the camera. Let's get it out of this plastic stuff here. So I actually got this camera for like $2.95 or something like that. I had some coupons and stuff, and that's how I end up getting it. So here it is going around the camera. So you got printed on here 2K HD image, adjustable field of view, and then here's your privacy cover. You guys see how that works there. And then on the back, this is where you're gonna plug it in. You got a speaker here. This is your little slider there for your privacy camera. You got another speaker or microphone over there. And this is your piece that you connect to your laptop or desktop, wherever you want to put this. And this adjusts as well. You do have your 1/4 screw hole right there, threaded area there. And this is pretty much it. The camera's a little big for a webcam, I would say, but definitely looks okay. Like I said, you can put this on a tripod or attach it to your monitor or your laptop. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up, and we'll take a look at the software and the image quality. Okay, guys, so this is the Anker PowerConf C200. So I have the software downloaded. This is the image quality that you're gonna get with artificial lighting, with my lighting situation anyway. So this is what you're gonna get. So over here to the right, let's go through the software. If you click this, this is where you can select your cameras. Depends on which camera you have. You can select that. The next thing over is gonna be your messages here. So this kind of like emails and stuff that they're gonna send you, and then you have your system settings there as well. Next is going to be your help section, frequently asked questions for whichever device you have, feedback, and contact us. And then the next section, this is going to be where you can name the device, you can set up your email, region, stuff like that. And that is pretty much it. So next we go over here to the left. Now this is where you can set your resolution. So the first one is going to be 360p. So give it a little second to switch over. And this is the quality, so it drops down pretty bad there. Click 720p. Give it a little section and a little time, a second, and then this is what gonna get right here. Let's go to 1080p. So this is what you get from 1080p right here, and then let's go to 2K. So this is 2K. We don't have any of the fancy stuff. This is kind of limited on what they have here. You can't blur out the background or set up like a green screen or anything like that. Next, you got your angle and frame. So this is where you can zoom in and zoom out manually. So this is going to be the widest angle field of view. This is 95. And you guys see why I have this position up here. I got windows going all the way around my back room here. So I'm trying to hide some of that back light that's coming in. Ideally, my desk should be facing that way, so when I'm recording, the natural light be coming in right at my, facing me while I'm recording, but I got it backwards. So you can, set this manually, and you can reset it. So once you get out of that, you got your presets here for your field of view. This is 65. 78 would be the ideal for most people, and then 95. I don't think I would ever use 95. 65 is what I'm going to use for the purpose of the video. And then you got your anti-flicker, 50 hertz and 60 hertz. Then you got your device information there. Next section, this is going to be your image settings. So you got your brightness. You can set this all the way up just like that. Blow it out completely, or you can go almost to complete darkness there. I'm going to bring it back up to about where I had it. You got your sharpness, saturation, contrast ratio. You're also going to have your optimized brightness. We click that on. I got it off because I'm pretty much setting my own brightness right here. You got auto white balance. It's doing a pretty good job, but you can also go in, play around with this as well. As you guys see, I'm going to leave it turned on. I think it's doing a pretty good job. You got autofocus here, and like I said, you can set your set it up manually wherever you may want it, but I think autofocus is doing a pretty good job, so I'm going to leave it on. And then you have your horizontal flip. You can flip it like that. So we're going to leave it right there, and here's focus. Get pretty close in on it. So not too bad on the focus. Need to work on my lighting, I think. So here's the microphones, and this is the onboard microphone that we're recording with right now. It's set on omnidirectional 360 degree. Now I'm going to click it over to the directional pickup 90 degree. Give it a little second there and see if it's making any difference or not. I don't know. And then we'll click back to the omnidirectional 360. And this is what it sounds like here. So I'm not sure if it's making a difference or not. The last section, what's your setup? Fixed workplace, flexible workplace, or the world is my workplace. And this is kind of like a little sales page here where they'll try to get you to upgrade to the next camera, the Anker B600. Perfect for you, or great for you, would be the PowerConf C200. So that's what that page is there. And like I said, this is what I'm getting as far as the image quality right now. It could be better, but for what I'm going to use it for my little groups where we meet sometimes online, FaceTiming and stuff like that, I think it'd be pretty good. Now I got a couple of artificial lights here. I'm going to go ahead and I got my Elgato key light right here. I'm going to turn it down, see if that improves on the quality, or should I bring it back up brighter than when I had it right there. So I'll have to see when I play this back what's better. So I'm going to put it about right there, maybe a little bit lower, and see. So this is the software for the Anker PowerConf C200 and the onboard microphones. Let's go ahead and finish the video. Alright guys, so this has been my look at the Anker PowerConf C200 web camera. In my opinion, it's not too bad. It's a whole lot better than a lot of the other ones out there at this price range. You do have an app that you can go in and customize it as much as possible. I think if you got a well-lit area, then it's going to perform pretty good. You're going to be missing features in the app like the blurring out the background, green screen, and stuff like that. But for most people, this will be adequate for your FaceTime, your Zoom meetings, your group meetings, and stuff like that, which is what I'm going to use it for. It's going to be perfect. So at this price, it's not bad. So that's my look at the Anker PowerConf C200. Drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Will H. I'm out.